Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the rear wheel now. You do not need to over-prepare. Once the wheel is out, inspect the freewheel for side-to-side play and grit, because that tells you whether cleaning or replacement is needed. Next, lock the cassette or freewheel body with a wrench, then use the correct tool to unthread it counterclockwise. Make sure to collect loose parts in a container. This avoids losing pawls, springs, or shims that matter later. Once done with removal, disassemble the freewheel internals carefully, because correct orientation matters when reassembling. You should clean each pawl, spring, and ratchet tooth with degreaser and a fine brush, and then dry them completely to prevent trapped moisture. If you find chipped teeth or weakened springs, replace those parts. Most failures are mechanical wear rather than lubrication issues. Finally, apply a thin, even coat of You reassemble using your photos as a map, making sure each pawl and spring seats correctly. Then thread the freewheel onto the hub and tighten to spec, because proper torque prevents loosening. Once mounted, spin the wheel and shift through gears while applying load. You want crisp engagement and quiet coasting. If clicking or failed engagement continues, check spring tension and pawl condition, and if necessary, replace the freewheel assembly. Sometimes replacement is faster and safer than chasing intermittent defects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.